A couple of points. You know, Mr. Dixon, that this is a People's Tribunal, which happens to have been requested to do what it's doing by an interested party, but is itself completely neutral and in no way activist. You, on the other hand, represent a rather different type of interested party, the Turkestan government in exile, and are engaged in regular lawyers' work. I mention that because you will also know that the PRC is not represented here, and if they were, I'm taking a tough line with you, they would probably argue that it's in the interest of your clients that we should make findings adverse to the PRC, because that would then constitute material that would be of value to your case. So, because we have to try and present arguments that the PRC would raise, or likely raise, how would you deal with that suggestion?